Hi there. Today, I'm excited to walk you through a solution we built for a fast-growing fintech company that processes over $2 billion in annual transactions, powered by more than 200 Python microservices. With a team of 150-plus developers across 12 squads, testing became a real bottleneck. In fact, nearly 40% of developer time was spent manually writing test cases. Our mission? Use generative AI to automate the creation and execution of unit tests, cutting down effort, improving accuracy, and ultimately helping developers move faster and with more confidence. This pilot specifically targets the automation of unit test generation for Python microservices, particularly in payment processing, where both accuracy and compliance are mission critical. The idea is simple: a developer uploads a Py file, and within seconds, full test cases are automatically generated. Test files are ready to download. And tests can be run instantly, with real-time reporting. We've already run user acceptance testing with microservices containing 15+ functions, and the results show strong performance, solid coverage, and meaningful test quality. This solution was built by Team 8. The UI is built with streamlit in Python, and the underlying architecture is API-driven, using AWS Lambda and Bedrock for LLM-powered generation. Let's take a look at the interface. Here's the section where you can enter custom instructions to guide how the test cases are generated, great for tailoring the output to specific needs. Now, using this Browse button, you can upload a single file or multiple files containing your microservices code. Once uploaded, just hit Submit. This kicks off the process. Our API receives the data, triggers a Lambda function, and sends it through an LLM hosted via Bedrock to generate the test cases. Once that's done, you'll see a success message confirming the generation is complete. Now let's check out the output. Here's the generated file, and as you can see, it contains all the test cases, ready to use or customize further. In the next step, we can run these tests directly from the UI. I'm going to hit the Run Tests button. This sends the request to our backend API, which runs the tests and sends back the results. Here's the summary: we can see which tests passed, which ones failed, and even any syntax errors that may have occurred during generation, helping developers quickly spot and fix issues.